Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by opening calendar. Then you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It, and tap on the month above. After that, pick a date and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Choose event from here and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting or ending hour over here, choose location, click on the correct one, change color, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, and even add attachments or take notes. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by clicking on it, tapping on this pen icon over here at the top right corner, making your changes, and clicking save one more time. But you can also delete your event by tapping on it, but this time choosing those three dots at the top right corner, choosing delete and tapping on delete again in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!